In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reformat Windows 10. Now let's get started. Let's create a bootable USB first. In the description below, I will provide a link to this website. Download and create Windows 10 installation media. Run the Windows 10 setup after you plug in your USB. Accept. Select Create Installation Media. Next. Next. Select USB flash drive. Then Next. Next. You can now delete it once you are done. After you plug in your bootable USB, you'll see this setup. Next. Install now. Select, I don't have a product key. Next. I accept the license terms and then Next. Select, Custom, Install Windows Only. All partitions should be deleted. Next. Create a Microsoft account if you don't have one. If you don't have an email address, use temp mail. Verify your email address. Next. Make a PIN. Set everything to no. Select Accept. Select Skip. Select No, thanks. Select Not Now.